Alright, so today I'm gonna be unboxing my Apple products. And yeah, make sure to watch the whole video for a surprise. Okay, so here's my iPad Pro M4 11-inch. I got this year for college, and mainly I started using it for like taking notes, because I don't like taking notes in notebooks. So before buying this iPad, I wasn't like the biggest iPad fan, but after getting it, I realized it was worth buying. I use it to like read the Bible sometimes, you know. I use it to like edit. I use it to watch Netflix, you know, YouTube, and all those other shows. It's really light, I say, so it can fit inside like your bags easily, and it's easy to like carry around. And yeah, honestly, I like it. 10 out of 10. So in terms of camera quality, I wouldn't say it's the best, but I don't really use my iPad to like take pictures and stuff. Alright, so after buying my iPad, I fully like customized it. I didn't want it to look bland, so I did like a little tweak, you know, added some more widgets. And yeah, here's my Apple Pencil Pro. There's actually nothing in here because I lost the pencil, but after losing this, I got this other fake pencil that's not as good, but I'd say it pretty much does the job. If you compare both of them, I'd say it does what it needs to do, but this was like $20. I'll leave the link in the description below, but I guess it's almost there. I'd say it's pretty much good for the price, just not as good as an actual Apple Pencil. Alright, so now we're gonna unbox my MacBook Air. I was already using the MacBook. I just put it back in for like a fake unboxing, but you guys get it. So the MacBook got like a really slick design. I think this is the silver one. I forgot what, I think it was like the sky silver or something. So I purchased this MacBook like a year ago, or maybe 2 years ago. I don't remember. But I've still had it. I never broke or anything. I don't think I ever dropped it, but it does its job. If you're going to college and you're an engineering student, I wouldn't suggest it, because there's like certain things that you can't really download on here. And in terms of like gaming, I wouldn't say this is also the best for gaming, because there's like a bunch of games you can really download or like play out all on here. But in terms of like school and like being productive and editing and stuff, I say it's worth it for those stuff. For those things, it's pretty much worth it. But everything besides that, I also forgot to mention, this is an M2 chip MacBook. I say like is pretty smooth in terms of like scrolling and stuff. So yeah, I've used the MacBook Pro ones and one of them, and you can tell the difference. But I say for like a budget MacBook, they should do the job for you. But yeah, unfortunately, Apple doesn't have a dynamic island for MacBooks. So I went and I bought this dynamic island called Alcove, and it was like $15 or $16. I'll leave it down in the description below in case you want it. But yeah, it's basically like the same dynamic island from like an iPhone 16, or you know, like a regular dynamic island. Alright, so another thing I use my MacBook for is extending my display. So I can basically like extend my MacBook display from the MacBook to my iPad, and really just like basically have two screens instead of one. And I use this from time to time in case I want to like, you know, multitask and, you know, just kind of treat my iPad and my MacBook like a full PC setup. But yeah, this is just one of the tricks, or I say one of the uses I use both of my MacBooks and my iPad for. Alright, so here's my Apple Watch Series 9. So I think I got my Apple Watch about 2 years ago. I've been using it for quite a while, and I remember the first week when I got it, I was lucky. I was really excited, like I was using it a lot. But after that first week, I wasn't really using it that much. I was only like checking the time from like, you know, time to time. But in terms of like battery life, I say it has like a terrible battery life. Like this thing dies kind of fast for how much you use, and this is like $400, maybe 300. You can even watch YouTube on it. I don't really use this that much because the screen is too small, but this is just one of the things, you know, it just has. Alright, so moving on to my AirPods Pro 2nd Gen. I see this is the most beautiful purchase I've like ever made. The noise cancellation primarily on this thing is absolutely beautiful. I use these AirPods all the time, and sound quality makes you feel like you're in a whole other universe. You know, it's just that good. I haven't tried the AirPods Pro Maxes yet. I mean, I think I've tried them once, and I forgot like my thoughts on them, but it's one of the purchases I also plan on getting. It also has a USB-C charging port. You can also use like wireless charging on this, like it's on the back. But yeah, 10 out of 10 purchase. If I lose this, I'm definitely buying another one. Alright, so I bought this iPhone this year. This is the iPhone 16 Pro, and I'm using it to record right now, so unfortunately I can't really show you guys. Maybe I'll review in another video. But yeah, I don't even know why I bought it. Like my phone, I had a 13 before this. Alright, so here's a surprise. If you've been watching the video until this part, I'm giving away this iPhone 16 to one of you guys. All you have to do is just follow my Instagram, you know, subscribe, leave a like, follow me on TikTok. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed the video, make sure to leave a like, and yeah, good luck on the giveaway. I'll see you guys next time.